Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to post Instagram stories on desktop. Now it is an extremely easy process. So all you have to do is just simply open your Instagram on your desktop. As you can see, I've already opened. Now all you have to do is simply right click on any blank space on the browser. Then click on inspect. And right over here, just simply enable this option. You will find it right over here, this one. Which will have a laptop and a phone symbol. Just simply click on that option and a phone type panel will appear right over here. And if you click on the drop down box over here, you can choose whatever device you want. So after this, all you have to do is just simply reload the page. Now the story option should appear right in front of you. Now all you have to do is just simply click on that option and upload whatever story you want, and then just simply edit however you want to edit. But just simply keep that in mind that there won't be a lot of editing options as you may have on your Android or iOS device. So the options will be limited, but yes, you can upload your story from here as well. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like subscribe to our channel and take care.